Good evening, respected Chief Guest Sri S. Jayavula, IAS, Registrar of Cooperative Societies and CHITS, the President of Karnataka Chitters Association, Sri Basulingappa Savanthagiri, my President, FKCCI Perikal Sundar, and all other members of Chitters Association, and my good friends Krishnamurthy, Ramesh, and Ravi Kumar. At the outset, I take this opportunity to thank the President for having given. Today is the public awareness program of the benefit of chit fund. I had an occasion, I think many would not have had an occasion in 1983 when the Chit Act rules has come. I should recollect my interaction, my good friend Ramachandra and Katha is something. They come to my office when I was being started my practice in 1983. I didn't leave an opportunity, I took that opportunity. I had an opportunity, even my clients like bread earners, many chit funds have come. We had like stakeholders, what is ease of doing business. Then Registrar of Chits, sir, he has made one point very clear. Prasad avare, now Madavaga rules regulation, chit fund nadsovarge, anukulata nodi, now Madabekanta undu mathildu, sir. It is in 1983. Today, I have seen the memorandum submitted by our President to Registrar of Chits. I am sure that Registrar of Cooperative Societies and Jayavalla sir will always address that issue. Friends, ತಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಕೋವಿಡಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಚಿಂತನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ MSME which has got 40% GDP, 60% of employment in the entire India is the chit fund. I reiterate that President has made a mention that your contribution to service tax is 87 crores, contribution to income tax is 100 crores. Sir, you should include the MSME, all the units of 11 lakhs supported from chit fund. They created employment of 11 crores. They contributed GDP almost 40%. The exports is 60%. And again they contribute GST. Please include in your annual report what is that 1 rupee contribution from chit fund made benefit for growing business, doing business, and ease of doing business, how much you generated employment. This is what today public awareness has to be in line with what is that you contributed. Friends, I am a chartered accountant. You all know COVID, the balance sheet cannot be given because COVID, lockdown, no business, no turnover. My finance minister, through Honorable Prime Minister, has come Atmanirbhar scheme of 20 lakh crores, 4.5 lakhs credit guarantee from Government of India. All is good. But MSME goes to the banker, they ask CIBIL rating. What is that CIBIL rating? The performance of your financial discipline, the turnover achieved last 3 years, and other than that, collateral security. When the lockdown, when the economic sluggish, how MSME or any person can give a favorable balance sheet? This is the time where Chit Fund Association has to use the digital marketing, social media, MSME sector. Through my President, we have been done lot of representation to Government of India, Finance Minister, make use the platform, inviting all the MSME, look, when banks will not fund, we are here to support you at the critical hours. Let us contribute for nation development. I want to give you assurance that what many chit funds always think, they feel happy with what they are. 2.87 trillion economy is today. Our Honorable Prime Minister, the 74th independence, what is that commitment he has made? 5 trillion economy. That means 74 years, we are able to achieve 2.87 crores. You have this much business. In 5 years, you want to achieve 5 crores trillion. What should be your potential of business? You all should gear up. You all should equip, migrate, transform into digital economy. There was an issue when I met in 83, You have to intimate the date of chit, communicate through post. It was easy if it is a weekly chit, it's a fortnight chit, monthly chit. You tell me what is the mode of communication by registered post for the daily chit. It was an issue. There was no WhatsApp in 1983, sir. Then Ramchandra, Register of Chits, said, Prasad, we can relax the rule for daily chit at the time of signing agreement by the subscriber. Other than holidays, let there be communication binding by the chit subscriber and the Chit Act. Sir, I should recall the appreciation. I do not know where the Ramchandra sir is there, but certainly he is the person who given opportunity for charter contents. Those days in 1983, lot of opportunity for a professional. It was not global economy. We all charter contents have benefited from each one of you at the starting of profession. So I must thank, place on record, the appreciation, sir. Coming to digital platform, e-governance, I'll take only 1 minute, 2 minutes time. Sir, Loki has confirmed that you want to become 500 members, 1000 members. Sir, we at FKCC have conducted more than 300 workshops through the chairman of various things. We contributed. We have best of venue. I can assure you that whatever your members becomes, even if 25% becomes FKCC members, we'll dedicate one hall for you. You need to have complete business sessions, empowerment, because you empower, the MSME of FKCC will get benefit. If MSME gets benefit, the nation get benefit, then generation of employment get. Let us move on. Let us take forward. Let us achieve the vision of Prime Minister by each one of us working not 6 hours, 8 hours. We should work 24/7. With these, the importance of chit fund is very, very daily need. Like my president says, ATM, I can say that it is the heart which functions 24/7. I'm sure that each one of you struggle and bring the life of MSME. You should have the feedback. The MSME is growing because of the China existence. The COVID has brought lot of opportunities. There are many MSME industries. You need to step out, go to PINIA, all the industrial associations, through President we can connect, come together, and as Register of Societies, our Jayawala says that is proactive. You'll always be very pro-supportive. Make sure that your life makes a difference and you make the difference in others' life. Let all together support the state economy, the nation economy. With this, today's campaign program, I'm sure the word will spread and you have a lot of potential, and MSME also a lot of opportunities to get benefit from you. Let the members of Chit Fund Association be very healthy, very safe, and very cheerful in the days to come. Thank you.